Have you ever wondered if ChatGPT affiliate marketing can actually help you make money online in 2026? Can one AI tool really help beginners create content, generate traffic, and potentially earn affiliate commissions without spending countless hours writing, researching, and brainstorming? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover in today's video. I'm going to show you how ChatGPT affiliate marketing works, how beginners are using it to create content faster than ever before, and how you can use ChatGPT to help build an affiliate marketing business even if you're starting from scratch. And before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I post new videos every week covering AI, affiliate marketing, faceless content, and making money online. Also, if you want my #1 recommended affiliate marketing system, check the first pinned comment below. You'll find Daily Income Method, which teaches a beginner-friendly system and includes access to over 100,000 viral video clips as a bonus. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT affiliate marketing actually is. A lot of people hear the term and assume ChatGPT somehow makes money for them automatically. That's not how it works. ChatGPT is a tool, a very powerful tool, but it's still just a tool. The real opportunity comes from using ChatGPT to speed up tasks that normally take a lot of time. For example, content ideas, research, scripts, email sequences, blog outlines, social media captions, video hooks, content calendars, keyword brainstorming, and much more. Instead of staring at a blank screen for hours, ChatGPT can help you create a starting point in seconds. That's why so many affiliate marketers are using AI today. Not because AI replaces them, because AI makes them more productive. Now let's quickly cover affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing is simply promoting products or services and earning a commission when someone purchases through your referral link. You don't create the product. You don't handle customer support. You don't process payments. Your job is connecting people with solutions. That's it. And that's why affiliate marketing remains one of the most beginner-friendly online business models available. Now let's talk about how ChatGPT fits into this process. The first thing you need is a niche. This is where many people get stuck. They don't know what to talk about. They don't know what content to create. They don't know what products to promote. This is where ChatGPT can help. You can ask ChatGPT to generate niche ideas. You can ask for profitable niche examples. You can ask for audience pain points. You can ask what questions people are searching for. You can ask what products solve those problems. This gives you a strong foundation. Some popular niches include affiliate marketing, AI tools, make money online, personal finance, health, fitness, productivity, business, technology, education. Once you've chosen a niche, the next step is finding affiliate products. Again, ChatGPT can help. You can ask for product ideas. You can ask for comparison content. You can ask for review content. You can ask for keyword opportunities. You can ask for customer pain points. The goal isn't blindly promoting products. The goal is matching solutions with problems. Now let's talk about content creation. This is where ChatGPT becomes extremely valuable. Most beginners struggle because they don't know what to say. They don't know how to write. They don't know how to structure videos. They don't know how to create content consistently. ChatGPT helps solve that problem. For example, let's say you're promoting an AI tool. You can ask ChatGPT to generate video titles, video outlines, video scripts, blog posts, email sequences, FAQs, comparison articles, review structures, social posts, content ideas. This dramatically reduces the amount of time required to create content. Now let's talk about YouTube, because YouTube remains one of the best affiliate marketing platforms available. You can create tutorials, reviews, comparisons, case studies, beginner guides, problem-solving videos, how-to videos, and ChatGPT can help generate outlines and scripts for all of them. Another powerful strategy is faceless content. Many people don't want to show their face. That's completely fine. You can create faceless videos using AI tools. You can use stock footage, screen recordings, slideshows, AI-generated visuals, text animations, voiceovers, and educational content. In fact, if you're interested in creating faceless videos faster, I also have a Syllaby discount linked in the pinned comment below. Syllaby can help simplify the content creation process significantly. Now let's discuss short-form content. TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts. These platforms reward volume and consistency, and ChatGPT helps you create more content faster. Imagine generating 30 video ideas in minutes. Imagine creating hooks instantly. Imagine generating captions quickly. That's where AI becomes valuable. Not because it's magic, because it helps you move faster. Now let's discuss one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They rely entirely on AI. That's a mistake. ChatGPT should assist you, not replace your thinking. Always add your own perspective, your own examples, your own experiences, your own voice. That's what makes content unique. That's what builds trust. And trust is what drives affiliate sales. Let's talk about email marketing. This is another area where ChatGPT can save a tremendous amount of time. You can use ChatGPT to generate welcome emails, follow-up sequences, product recommendation emails, promotional emails, newsletter content, story-based emails, educational emails. This allows you to stay connected with your audience while building relationships over time. And speaking of relationships, that's something many beginners forget. People buy from people they trust, not random links, not random promotions. Trust matters. Value matters. Helping people matters. If your content consistently solves problems, affiliate commissions become a natural byproduct. Now let's discuss traffic, because traffic is what makes affiliate marketing work. You can create the best content in the world, but if nobody sees it, it doesn't matter. Some of the best traffic sources include YouTube, Google SEO, Pinterest, email marketing, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. The strategy I recommend is simple. Create once, repurpose everywhere. One piece of content can become multiple pieces of content. This allows you to maximize exposure while minimizing effort. Now let's talk about daily income method. Many people ask me what I recommend for beginners. That's why I recommend checking out the first pinned comment below. Inside Daily Income Method, you'll learn a beginner-friendly affiliate marketing system and gain access to over 100,000 viral clips that can be used for content creation. And some affiliate offers pay up to $200 per sale. That means you don't need hundreds of sales to see meaningful results. Just a handful of commissions can make a significant difference. Before we wrap up, let's talk about realistic expectations. Can ChatGPT affiliate marketing work? Absolutely. Can it help you create content faster? Definitely. Can it replace effort? No. Success still requires consistency, learning, testing, improving, and taking action. The people who succeed aren't necessarily the smartest. They're often the most consistent. They keep creating, they keep learning, they keep improving, and they stay in the game long enough to see results. So here's your action plan. Pick a niche, find quality affiliate products, use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, create valuable content, build an audience, collect emails, help people solve problems, and stay consistent. If you'd like access to my recommended resources, Daily Income Method, the 100,000 viral clip bonus, and the Syllaby discount, check the first pinned comment below. And if you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know what niche you're planning to enter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.